Hello dear students, in this lecture we will see how to eliminate epsilon production. Epsilon is nothing but the null. So whatever are the productions which are producing null, that we are going to eliminate. How to eliminate that we will see. So consider the grammar G whose productions are S gives AS or S gives AB, A gives null, B gives null, D gives B. Construct a grammar G1 without null productions. So how to construct the given production without having epsilon? So first step is we have to identify which productions are epsilon productions. So productions which are producing null or epsilon is called as epsilon productions. So here we can see that A gives null and B gives null are the two productions which are producing null production. So we can remove A gives null and B gives null. D gives B does not contain the epsilon production. S gives AS is also not epsilon production, and S gives AB is also not epsilon production. Because here if we put S gives AB but A and B both are null, but here we cannot easily remove A gives null and B gives null. But we can identify which symbols are the epsilon productions which produces epsilon. So S is producing epsilon because A and B both are null productions. A is also null production or epsilon production, and B is also the symbol which are producing the null. So here S, A and B are the symbols which are producing the null production. In step number 2, we are going to construct P dash, that is new production rules after eliminating epsilon. D gives B is included in P dash. S gives AS gives rise to S gives AS and S gives A. Now S gives AS we can take directly because it does not contain any null production. But if we put A and B as null, S will be null. So in S gives AS, if we keep S as null, we will get S gives A. And S gives AB gives rise to S gives AB, S gives A and S gives B. How it is possible? Because if we have production S gives AB, put value of B as null, we get S gives A, and if we put the value of A as null, we get S gives B. So the new production rules are D gives B, S gives AS, S gives AB, S gives A, S gives capital A and S gives capital B. So here are the productions which are included in the grammar, but here A gives null and B gives null are excluded. So this is how we can remove all the null productions from the given grammar.